going to cut another piece, the shape like this. I think I need to build what is it, the tube, the spinning tube, and I'm thinking I'm going to make I think I have small tube somewhere, but I think I'm going to build with the cereal box so I can adjust the size that I want up. I'm not sure I have any cereal box right here. So I do. So I'm going to use it to build a cereal box. Right, I'm going to build a tube. Oh, a lot of parents take their kids to, what is it, they have like specialties like mathematics or something. I do not like, I didn't like mathematics when I was in school. I still don't like it now either. I was not that great in mathematics, but for the accounting number, I was very good at it. I think I'm going to use this to make it right there. Maybe I should use a smaller one. It's kind of a little bit too big. I don't have any longer. You know what, if I see any typewriter, like the Olympia, the one I went to school, I'm gonna get one, but I don't know where to buy those stuff. But I really do want to have that one to keep in my craft home and, remind me of when I was in school, and good memory and bad memory. This thing is not round now. Let's see what I can get something the tube is round. I don't think there's a paper towel in the kitchen that works the paper inside. I think a little bit too soft. Let's see, I'll be right back later. Hi guys, I'm back. So I cannot find any tube. Oh, I found one, only the spool, but it's kinda too short, and I'm not sure that what I'm going to do. But right now I found these cardboard, really tiny cardboard. I can see that already peeled it a long time ago. I'm going to use this for this one. It's what it's called, I'm not sure. You guys see what is called this part, I'm not sure. But this one I think it's gonna make look like remember the, what is it? when you hit the keyboard here, this part, you know, spring and hit the ink and type the letter. So I'm not sure what you call. So I'm going to use that one, place that one down there, and I'm going to where this one going to cut. So it is in here to here's that. I'm not sure, right? Sorry. So there, that I'm going to cut. So if this piece, how long is it? That depends on the cut over here. This one is 338 by 6 and 5/16 maybe, or 6 1/4. That depends on how deep you cut this one. Okay, so this one gonna be right here. And then what I'm going to do, I don't know. We need the piece. So we need the paper piece right here, up here, and would you need the tube? I'm not sure how I'm gonna use that tube yet. But not sure this one gonna have any space for any album down there. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hear this one first, so I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do from there. So right now I'm going to use the hot glue right there. So you guys can see that. And now so I'm not sure what I have to do. Go from here. We're going to need a big piece. This one, get that the cardboard on the top there. I think I need another piece. I'm not sure. I think to close that one there, I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm going to use the cardboard over here first. It's 6 1/2. Six and a half by what? 8 1/2. So we need the cardboard. We're not gonna worry about this one later. We'll cut it later. But we need 6 1/2 by 8 1/2 for the on the top of here. Let's see. This one will work. This one a little bit short. be right back after I cut the paper. Okay guys, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna cut a big piece there. I'm gonna cut a small piece right here. I cut a 2 inches by 3.5 the length of this here, 2 pieces right there, and then I'm cut this 2 inches by 8.5 inches. This gonna be on the back there, right there. I'm not really sure if this one will work because I haven't decided about the tube. Remember the thing right there? Not really sure yet, but I'm going to get this fit down here. I'm not sure that's gonna work what I imagine, but I will give it a try. That one there. I'm not gonna hear this piece yet until I know for sure where the tube gonna go. I think my typewriting come a long ways, and now I'm not sure what I'm going to make the tube. Maybe I should use the cardstock, I think. Let's try the cardstock, how it looks when I make a tube. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm not gonna hear this piece yet. I'm gonna try to make the tube first. Apparently I cannot find the tube, so I'm cutting. I use cystic dies to get perfectly circle. This one I cut in 2 pieces for the chipboard, and I cut in just copy paper there, so I want to find the center of the circle there. So the way how I do it, I fold this one in half and then fold in half again. now we can see that where is set as center right there, and now you can punch the hole. I'm going to use my big bite here, the big hole there. See, now we can get a circle. If you have any better solution than mine, let me know. I think I kind of like my idea so far. So get that circle there. See there. Use my big bite again to punch the hole. So now I got my end of the circle there, and now the paper I used the cardstock. I cut 8.5 inches. We're gonna make our own tube. It released on 8.5 because the inside I did 8.5. So I'm going to fold that one. I'll put this one away. I'm going to make this so that the paper roll easier. So maybe this one. Now this one 8.5 by 12 inches. Okay, I'm gonna use hot glue there around maybe I should do the bigger thick than this. Maybe I should cut in the chipboard. So I'll be right back. I will go cut it my chipboard. Okay, with my cardboard, not chipboard. Okay guys, I'm back. So I cut 4 pieces of cardboard. So I'm gonna sandwich together there. Already punched the hole. Just want to make a thicker support when I wrap around with the cardstock. There. Okay guys, I cut this. Okay, I changed my mind. I use 12 inches, so I use 8.5 by 5.5 to just wrap around the cardboard circle here. So I use sticky tape there on the edges here. I'm going to wrap around this cardboard. adhesive on here. Sorry if I'm out of camera. It's really hard to make the tube here. Now I don't have the black cardstock. I wish I have, so I don't have to paint the whole thing. Now we get up to, or I get my tube. See that one gonna be in there, and I'm going to cut this one here. Let's insert that one in there. Try to find the hole there. Okay. So I guess I need to cut another piece, this one here. So I'm thinking how long this one, I need to cut it out, the wooden piece there. 11 inches, right? Yep, I will cut this 11 inches, or I just have to measure this one out here. That one I'm going to cut this out. think I'm going to cut cardboard and then wrap this stuff. No, it's not good enough, but maybe I should use caulk gear something. And I believe this one should be behind there. I don't think I have this piece enough. Oh, maybe just use this piece. Under there, I'm not sure. Put this one there, and then this one there. You think that should I use the little spool and use seam binding? What do you guys think? Let me think about it. And because that one we need to make it look like the ink, remember? We do have both sides.